Welcome back, friends. I'm Miss Robinson and it's time to learn. Today, we're going to learn how to identify words that start with the letter K. The letter K is a consonant and it makes a sound like this. K, k, k. It's so important that we know our letter sounds because this will help you to become a good reader, writer, and speller. Today, we'll read a very special book from our Alphatales series. And the reason why this book is so special is because it's filled with words that begin with the letter K. Kangaroo Kazoo, written by Wendy Cheyette Lewison, illustrated by Rusty Fletcher. This kangaroo has a red kazoo. She takes it everywhere. This kangaroo has a pink kazoo. He plays it at the fair. This kangaroo has a yellow kazoo. She plays it in the spring. This kangaroo has a green kazoo. It makes the katydids sing. This kangaroo has a blue kazoo to play on the deep blue sea. This kangaroo has a purple kazoo from the purple kazooka tree. This kangaroo has an orange kazoo, and now he has a chance to join the best band in the land and play at the kangaroo dance. They play all day, they never stop, while the kangaroo king does the kangaroo hop. Then the king's kooky kin all kick up their heels. They do the kazuki pookie and the kazarama reel. Red or yellow, green or orange, purple, pink or blue. You can have all kinds of fun with a kangaroo kazoo. Now, how many things can you find that begin with the letter K? I see the king. I see a koala bear. I see a katydid. I see kangaroos playing kazoos. I see a kite. Can you find anything else that begins with the letter K? That's our story for today, and I hope you learned about the sound of K. I'll see you next time. Bye.